Hi everyone. So in this video we will discuss about gene editing, and it is very important for prelims 2024. So without any further delay, what is gene editing? It is a kind of transforming technology because it has the power to transform various aspects of our life, right from the medicine to agriculture. It can have far-reaching impacts. So there are new possibilities that scientists are looking with time, and there are so many researches that is happening. It is nothing but an specialized a specialized enzyme known as nucleases are used to cut the DNA at a specific sequence, allowing for the insertion, deletion, or replacement of genetic material. So this is gene editing. Now what happens is there is a repair mechanism inside a cell which is natural. Now, the process can be exploited to introduce the desired changes either by repairing the break in a specific way or by using the cell's own recombination machinery. Okay, there can be targeted modification, and it involves uh, so many techniques. One such technique which was asked by UPSC as well was CRISPR Cas9. You know, this is a kind of a Caesar, enzyme Caesar, which is utilized. Why it is utilized, we will see in the lecture with time. Okay, it allows scientists to target and modify specific genes or DNA sequences with unprecedented accuracy. That is why it is used more than any other method. It can revolutionize medicine because it can be used to treat genetic disorders like sickle cell anemia or muscular dystrophy. It can be also utilized in cancer and immune therapies, to target the cancer cells and eliminate them. And this includes modifying the T cells to enhance their cancer fighting capabilities. On this also UPSC has asked question. And the third is precision diagnostic, diagnosing the disease with extreme precision. Nowadays, the diagnosis of cancer etc. happens at a much later stage, and people's lives could not be saved. So this will also enhance by identifying specific genetic signatures. Healthcare providers can tailor interventions to the individual's unique genetic profile. It can transform agriculture. How? Now, you all know genetically modified crops. What is genetically modified crops? The desired attribute that you want in a specific crop, you can insert that using this genetic gene editing technique. Like, for example, if you want your brinjal to be pest and disease resistance, so you can utilize gene editing. You want your wheat to be having improved nutrition value. You want them to have more vitamin A. You want them to have more iron. Okay, or you want to increase productivity of a certain crop, or you want to have a sustainable agriculture to, like, it should be more adaptable to changing environmental condition. For all of these, gene editing is extremely important. There are some ethical considerations in gene editing as well. First is, what if some unintended consequences happen because it is still at a baby stage. Second is equity and access. Can it be accessed by a person from humble background, or by the underdeveloped countries? It can have a it can lead to genetic discrimination as well, which can violate individual rights. There have been the issues of racism all around the world. It What would be the societal implication of it? All of these are in debate. Now, why CRISPR is so important than any other method? First is its precision. It is extremely precise, and it allows scientists to target and modify specific DNA sequences with unprecedented accuracy. It is also very versatile. It can remove, add, or alter genetic material, making it a highly versatile tool. Third is it is highly efficient, and it is highly efficient because it is faster, cost effective, and it accelerates research and development. And it has a lot of potential in the utilization in medicine, agriculture, and beyond. there have been talks worldwide about regulating gene editing. So many regulatory bodies and policymakers around the world are working to establish robust frameworks for the governance and oversight of gene editing technology. There have been evolving safety protocols and public engagement also happening in developed countries. The future of gene editing, future, as I told you, in medicine it can bring revolution. In agriculture it can enhance crop resilience. In biotechnology it can be utilized to have desired traits such as enhanced productivity or environmental adaptability. It can also be utilized in environmental conservation. To handle challenges like invasive species, habitat restoration, climate change mitigation. So if a question comes and it talks about the following applications of gene editing, mark it all correct. It can be utilized for environmental conservation, biotechnology, agriculture, and medicine. Hope this lecture was helpful for you. Take care. Best wishes.